everyone. What's up? We're at Legoland. We're at the Lego Chima place. Crack mouth. Ah! My grandma, grandpa, and Pam. And there's a boat. Wow. That's a big Chima thing. It's insane. It's great. You like the whole ride. You just go through on a boat, you spray people, and you sort of get wet sometimes. You get wet, trust me. You will get wet.
Really hot, you get really wet.
Yes.
Because there's a lot of people on it.
They're liking it. They want to get wet.
When it's hot, it's okay.
When it's cold, they want to get sprayed.
You get your shoes and socks soaked and everything.
Yeah. Ah! I'm getting wet already. I'm starting to get wet. Ah, crap. I need a brush. Why is it blurry? Sorry, my camera's acting funny. It's not blurry.
It is?
There we go. I got it. There you go, folks. I got it fixed. Just where Mason and Paul?
I don't think they're getting in line to ride it, but I don't know.
I don't know where they went. Peace. Peace out.